Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Dr. Haifaa Younis. A warm welcome to you from Jannah Institute. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Surah Al-Baqarah said the following: وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْمَحِيضِ. They ask you about menstruation. And it's amazing how much this question comes up, especially in Ramadan, especially during Hajj, and especially in the time where we need to focus on more ibadah. And the question always comes to me as an obstetrician and also as someone who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala graced her with some knowledge, is the bleeding I'm seeing, is it my hayd, is it my menstruation? Can I pray? Can I fast? Can I do this? Can I do that? Or this is an abnormal bleeding? And this is amazingly repeated question year after year. So by His grace, we're gonna try to educate as many women as we can about this subject in a simple, in a very easy way to simplify it. And so that this question, when it comes to you, you'll be able to answer it without trying to figure out and ask other people. We're going to make it as simple as possible, some drawings, some charts to make it very easy, and you will be more than welcome to ask questions. So do join us. I think every woman should have this knowledge. Looking forward to seeing you.